Hello, everyone. So, a night before the festival of Eid al-Fitr, is called Chand Raat. Chand Raat. It is when the moon is sighted, which marks the beginning of Eid. It is celebrated by wishing each other Chand Raat Mubarak. Chand Raat Mubarak. Chand is moon, Raat is night, and Mubarak is happy. Happy Chand Raat. It's not exactly happy, but in this context, it means happy Chand Raat. Chand Raat Mubarak. In reply, people say Khair Mubarak, Khair Mubarak. Or you can say Tumko bhi Chand Raat Mubarak, Tumko bhi Chand Raat Mubarak. Families gather on the roof for the sighting of the moon. Girls apply mehendi, which is henna, and it's a joyous occasion which is celebrated with zeal.